Hello and welcome to this 10-minute practice. I hope it finds you healthy and well. Today's practice is going to be seated, so I'm going to invite you to come to your easy seat or comfortable seat. I'm just beginning to take any organic movement, whether that's circling at the waist, or taking a few seated cat-cows. I'm just beginning to arrive in your seat. We're going to begin to settle in, stacking the spine vertebrae by vertebrae. Hands to the thighs or the knees, and just gently softening the gaze or closing the eyes altogether. And taking a round of breath through the nose. We're going to begin to take our left ear towards the left shoulder. As I face you, I'll be mirroring you. You can stay here. You can take that left hand, gently bring the fingertips or maybe the palm to the ear. And again, you might stay here, let that right hand drop to the mat or maybe behind. Just taking any low organic movement. If there's any pain, obviously gently coming back to that beginning position. We're going to slowly begin to bring that right hand back to our lap, releasing the left hand as we stack the head. Gently beginning to let that right ear come towards the right shoulder. Again, taking any of those choices, gently bringing the fingertips of the palm to that left ear. Left hand staying in the lap or going off to the side. And bringing that hand back to the lap, stacking the head, releasing the right. We're going to begin to take deeper circles of the waist. You just have the hands on the thighs or the knees to help as a launch pad. And then changing directions. And then coming back to stillness. We're going to begin to extend that right leg, sole of the left foot coming in towards the thigh. We're going to be coming into a gentle forward fold, inviting you to flex that right foot, walking the hands forward. You might stay on the fingertips, palms, or maybe the forearms, dropping the head down. You might go a little bit further if that's comfortable to do. Exhaling, we're lifting the torso. Inhaling the arms up overhead. We're going to bring our torso over that right leg. Staying here, stretching the fingers away. And as you exhale, hinging, coming into your forward fold. You might have hold behind the thighs, calves, or the foot. As we inhale, releasing our grip, taking the hands back up overhead. We're going to take a gentle twist, taking that right hand to the left thigh, left hand behind. Inhaling, releasing, taking the arms up. We're coming back into that forward fold, reaching with the fingers. If you do happen to have hold of the foot, you might interlace the hands or take both hands onto the pinky side of that right foot. Inhaling, releasing, taking the hands up, coming into your twist, taking this in your own pace. One more time, we're taking the arms up, exhaling, folding down. And as we inhale, we're releasing. We're going to come into a mini wild thing. So I'm going to invite you to release that left hand down, pressing the weight into that left hand as we come onto the shin. Pinky edge of that right foot. Right hand can go towards the sky, or upper arm might come towards the ear. Exhaling, gently releasing down. We're going to take that onto the other side, so extending that left leg, slowly bringing the sole of that right foot. Inhaling, lengthening the torso, and then we're going to begin to fold down. Inhaling, lifting the torso, taking the arms up overhead, and then hinging over that left foot. Each side will be different. You have one side tighter than the other maybe. Inhaling, lifting, and taking that twist. Releasing the twist, taking the arms up overhead. Bring the torso over that leg and hinging. Again, if you have hold of the foot, you might take the palms to the left pinky edge of the foot. Inhaling, lifting, coming into that twist. Taking the arms up, folding down. As we inhale, we're taking the arms up. We're going to come into that mini wild thing, planting that right hand, pressing up onto the shin, sole that left foot, and then your choice for that top arm. Exhaling, gently releasing down. We're going to be coming into a butterfly pose, or Baddha Konasana. So bring the soles of the feet together. You might have a diamond or a triangle. If you want something a little bit more intense, just gently bring the soles of the heels of the feet closer to the body. Inhaling, lengthening. You can stay right here, long spine, or you might begin to hinge at the waist, forward fold. Elbows coming to the thighs, maybe the shins, maybe outside of the shins, holding the feet. Taking 3 rounds of breath here. As we inhale, we're lifting the torso, slowly taking the palms underneath the thighs, soles of the feet coming to the earth. Bring the hands behind you. We're going to take our feet as wide as our mat or wider than hip. We're just going to gently take those knees over to the left. You can stay right here, leaning back, letting those knees gravitate to the earth, or you might begin to come forward over that shin, maybe taking the forearms down. Again, you might go a little bit deeper, taking the arms or the torso over the knee. Inhaling, we're coming up, hands coming behind. And then soles of the feet. We're going to take that onto the other side. So slowly letting the knees gravitate over to the right. Staying here, supporting yourself with the hands. Or maybe beginning to bring the weight forward over that shin. Or maybe over the knee. Inhaling, lifting, bring the hands behind. Soles of the feet. And we're just going to windshield wiper the knees. Each side once. And we'll slowly begin to come back to our seated position. Inhaling the arms up, stretching the fingers away from the body, palms meeting, and exhaling into the heart space. Letting the thumbs into the heart space. Dropping the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in yourself and your practice, and gifting yourself 10 minutes. Thank you very much for sharing this seated practice with me, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.